Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So I got a new iPad. I'm currently filming on my iPad, the 10th generation, the pink 10th generation. Okay, so I got a Pro. I was gonna get a laptop, but why did I get an iPad Pro? I don't remember why I got the Pro. I was gonna get a laptop. Oh, I was gonna get a laptop for schoolwork because I'm in college now, so I have to, schoolwork. But I also wanted it for YouTube stuff because my iPad now is about to, I don't know what I was searching for, but anyway, my iPad now, the pink one, I'm losing storage. So I'm losing storage on my phone and my iPad. So I said might as well get a new iPad upgrade and get more gigabytes. So I got the 512 gig. And I did a video of my extra Muse camera. Yeah, finally. DJI's twin. I got it today in the mail. I have to build on it though, of course, and I'm waiting for my SD card in the mail, so that's coming. But yeah, that's that. But I already showed it in my other video, like me unboxing it, my Snowden video. Yeah. So now we're gonna unbox my iPad. I wanted to do it on camera. iPad Pro. Yeah, I got it in black. So I did open the tape thing, and I just looked inside, but I didn't take everything out. So I got the 512 gig iPad Pro 11-inch M5, and I only got the Wi-Fi. I don't need the cellular and all that, to be honest. We're gonna put that here. Damn, I wanted y'all to see. I'm gonna do it on my bed, matter of fact. Yeah, I'm gonna put y'all right here. Let's just sit like this. Okay, here's my iPad. Yeah. Here's the beauty. Okay. iPad Pro. Oh my goodness, this joint is so thin. I think it's thinner than my 10. Nah, I gotta measure that. I think it is. Yikes, that's thin. Here is, what's this? What would be the point of this for real? This is just the manual. Welcome to iPad Pro. So I do want this iPad brand new. Like, I don't want my old Apple ID in here. I want a new one. I have like 3 Apple IDs. But yeah, that's that. And then it comes with the black wire, which I like, because if it get dirty, you can't see it. The white one, forget about it. So that's that. I might have to charge it anyways, because you know they're becoming like on low battery sometimes. And if I find out somebody was using my stuff, watch. But yeah, comes with that. And then the white. I'm not even gonna do ASMR and all that. Anyways, let me just plug it now while I'm at it. And that's pretty much it that comes inside the box. I'm happy I got black, actually. I don't have a case for it though yet, and I don't have a screen protector, so I need that ASAP. Has a speaker on both sides. I think that one has it too. And then I heard it used to say iPad Pro down here, now it doesn't. This is the newer model, I think. I'm not sure. But I like this too. And I like the frame and stuff, like the back. I think that one is kind of like that too. I don't know. So we about to start it up. Apple, yeah. I'm about to just lay. Hello. I have a pen. It's not an Apple pen. It's I bought it from TikTok. I wonder if it works on this one. It's on 81%. Who's using my stuff? See what I'm saying? Alright, boom. English. United States. Default. That's how you would like text icons. Look on the iPad. Let me see. Small. Default. I'll pick small. Set up iPad. Set up with another device. What they mean by that? What's this? Set up with another device. Oh, my Wi-Fi. I like how it looks like green down here. Greenish bluish. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. And it just went like dark. I don't know. So I guess. Why do I have to? Ain't this a new iPad? I'm doing that later. Cause what? Age range. Baby, I'm grown. Face ID, continue. Oh, I got Face ID now. Stop playing with them. I was waiting for this to come out. Alright, I gotta set up my face. Hold on. Niggas want me to break my neck. Create an iPad passcode. I'm not even showing y'all, my bad. For your apps and data. Don't transfer anything. I'm gonna have to call my brother. Alright, y'all, I was going through a hassle just now. Lock my screen, my rotation. Alright, so this is how we looking right now. I'm gonna finish setting this up on my own though. And it's not gonna be a part of the video because I can't. I'm gonna delete all these apps I don't use, I don't need. So options, delete, freeform, photo booth. Come on now, I don't need all this. Let's go to the photos. Syncing paused because I don't want stuff from over there transferred. So from this iPad transferred. So, but I'm gonna leave this video like this, and I'm gonna end this video already because it's already getting long. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'll soon start recording with my DJI. Well, my extra Muse, but I need a SD card first, and I'm waiting for that in the mail. So once I get that, it's lit, just know.